Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. In today's video, we'll be using ChatGPT to find 5 products in home and kitchen niche. So keep in mind, these products may be winners, they may be losers. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. I do want to point out 2 things before we get started with this video. First of all, if I provide you with any value in this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me help you. Secondly, I want you to keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only. If you do plan to act on dropshipping based on this video, please be sure to do your own research because that's very important. Without your own research, you will not see any results. So let's get into today's video. Okay guys, now that we have ChatGPT in front of us, we're just gonna go ahead and type a prompt. If you've never used ChatGPT, please go ahead and check it out. It's very cool, very important to know what's happening around you. So over here, we're gonna come and type, please give me 5 products in home and kitchen niche. They have to be unique, must solve a problem in home and kitchen niche, must be able to dropship. Alright guys, we have our first product recommended by ChatGPT in home and kitchen niche, and this is an adjustable pot pan organizer. And here we go. So I was able to find it on AliExpress, and you can see there's a bunch of them being sold. This one had a really good price for what it is, so I went with that. It's $33 USD with free shipping to Canada. Now let's go on Amazon and let's see what we can find something similar. And I was able to come across this one, which is kind of exactly what it is. We need the A tier one, and you can see it's being sold for $24 USD. So there's obviously a price gap between where you can buy for and where you can sell it for. It's very not easy to compare it to Amazon, because on Amazon you buy bulk so you can lower your price. That's why I went ahead and found it on Shopify as well. So when I went on Shopify, I was able to find it for $50 US. So if you're buying it for $32 US and selling for $50 US, obviously there's some money to be made. But keeping in mind that the margins are not that high, it can be very difficult because you have to run ads, you have to pay for Shopify fees. So please keep that in mind. That was for our first product recommended by ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the second product recommended by ChatGPT for home and kitchen niche, which is the magnetic spice jar. And you can see they go in multiple quantities, starting with 5 all the way to 16. 5 pieces are $5 US with no shipping cost to Canada, and 16 pieces are $17 with no shipping cost to Canada. So there we go. You were able to find this second product, which I've never seen, magnetic jar. Crazy. Okay, so let's go ahead and look it up on Amazon. You can see you have these ones, but this is the exact one we're focusing on. They're selling it for $32 US, but these are also 24 quantity of magnetic jars. So just to keep it fair and simple, here's a 12 pack, and let's see what we can buy a 12 pack over here for. So it's selling for $12.67. On Amazon, it's selling for $18 USD. To keep in mind, it's hard to compare drop shipping to Amazon. I'm here just showing you the market availability on Amazon versus Shopify. I was also able to find it on Shopify, and you can see this store is selling 6 pieces for $17 USD. Let's see how much it would cost us to buy 6 pieces. We actually don't have 6 pieces over here. Let's see, we don't have 6 pieces, so let's go with 8 pieces. $7.67 versus $17.67. So you can see there is some pretty good margins to be made on this product over there. But again, be sure to do your own research before doing anything. Let's get into the third product. Okay, so here we have our third product recommended by ChatGPT home and kitchen niche, soap box with soap dispenser. As you can see, they're being sold for multiple add-ons as well. You can get a brush. Let's just focus for this purposes for this item, which is $3.19 USD with $79 cents of shipping. You know, we want way faster shipping than August 23rd, so we're gonna go ahead and select July 28th, which brings up our cost to around $8. Okay, so our cost is now $8 for this soap dispenser. Let's see how much it's being sold for on Amazon. So we have one over here, a few over here. They all have bad reviews. I wonder what's going on with them. Maybe they're just not good quality, but doesn't look like it's doing too well. This one does seem to be doing the best over here, which is 2-in-1. Okay, here we go. So on Amazon, it's being sold for about the same as the cost on AliExpress. Now, if we find the Shopify store, which I did, they're selling it for $30 USD, and it looks to be in pretty good condition for a website. So looking back at the price, they're buying it for $8 approximately and trying to sell it for $30. So again, there's good margins to be made on this product. Be sure to do your own research. Let's jump into the fourth product, second last product. Let's go. Alright guys, so we have our fourth product recommended by ChatGPT, which is a silicone foldable food storage container. And you can see it comes in multiple sizes, but for this purpose we're focusing on the 4-piece, which is selling for $21 US with $3 of shipping to Canada, which brings your total to $24, give or take. Now, let's go ahead and find it on Amazon and see what it looks like. So I actually was able to find it on Amazon. It has really good reviews, meaning there's definitely a market for this compared to the soap dispenser we had, which has really bad reviews. So looking at a 4-piece right over here, 4 stacking set of 4, which is being sold for $17. It's a bit cheap on Amazon. Again, you're buying it in bulk for Amazon FBA, so your cost is bound to go down. I'm trying to find the exact same one, but it doesn't seem like we have much luck. Obviously, there's going to be different images, but on Shopify, a 4-piece, again a 4-piece one, I was able to find the exact same images that are being used on AliExpress. So I'm not sure if these people are doing a good job at, making their own images, but they're pretty much using the same images as AliExpress for most part. And you can see they're selling it for 88 Canadian dollars. And there's obviously a big price gap between the cost and what price they're selling. If you want to focus on the idea that it's not on sale, you can buy it for $30 US. So obviously that's where the margins are. Yeah, that's for the fourth product. As you can see, this is the foldable silicone food container. Let's move on to our fifth and final product. Alright guys, for our final product by ChatGPT, this is the avocado slicer 3-in-1. You can see this is a pretty low ticket item that you can sell for 71 cents, about $2. That you can buy for $2, I mean, with barely any shipping cost. So when you look at Amazon, people are selling it for a pretty high amount of prices for what they're buying, because something like this is costing them $2-3, and they're selling it for about $10. So that's about 30% higher than what they're buying it for. Sorry, even 50% higher what they're buying for. So here we have the exact same one that we're looking on Amazon. They're selling it for $9 USD, whereas they're buying it for about $2 USD, give or take a few dollars. Now, let's try to find it on Shopify and see what that looks like for us. Okay, and then here we have our Shopify store that is selling it for $21 US. But keep in mind, looking at the website, it doesn't look like it's doing well, because you can see there's no reviews. You would have to have some reviews, even if you're uploading your own reviews. You gotta have some reviews. And it looks like they still have powered by Shopify, which is my pet peeve. When people don't take this off, it just goes to show you're an amateur doing this. Let me see if I can find a different Shopify store with about the same price to just show you the comparison. Alright guys, I was able to find another Shopify store selling the same product, and right off the bat you can see they have spin the wheel, which is important to keep your shoppers engaged in your website by offering them some discount. So honestly, right off the bat, this store must be doing well. Again, they have reviews, but you can't click on them just to see they have a 5-star review. It's like a good thing to have. They have the same product selling for $25 USD. A little bit higher than what we saw on the old Shopify website. I want to see if they have any reviews. They actually don't have any reviews either, but this website looks way better than the one before. So it just goes to show it's all about the website and not the product. Sometimes it is about the product, but not as much. You have to have good presentation. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. That was 5 products recommended by ChatGPT in home and kitchen niche. Just to summarize what those products were, they were adjustable pot organizer, magnetic spice rack set, automatic soap dispenser with built-in sponge holder, and silicone food storage for food containers, collapsible silicone food storage containers, and last but not least, 3-in-1 avocado slicer. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps me a lot. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.